Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out the VR Link cable with fast charging made for pretty much all VR headsets. This is made by AMVR. It retails for $25 on their website. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 10% off of your purchase. In this one we're going to unbox it, I'll show you how to use it, and of course give you my review. Let's jump into this one. Alright, so here is the AMVR Link cable. Here is the part that's going to go into your PC. And then our 90-degree USB-C port is going to be what's going into your Quest 3. I'll show you that in just a second, or Quest 2, or Pico, or Quest 3S. Now here is the interesting part. This is the with charging part. You can attach a charging cable to here that goes into the wall. So something just similar to the cord that comes with the Quest 3. And as they say, as long as it's 18 watts or higher, then you'll be able to maintain your Quest battery charge while you are playing. And so you'll have infinite battery life. So that's something that a lot of people do complain about with other Link cables, is that their battery life does still go down and they're not able to just play freely. So this is an option for that. The cord length here is 16 feet. So it is a really long cord and should be good for most users, but maybe 16 feet isn't enough, and you can always do wireless like a lot of people do. But if you're interested in Link cables, then that's why you're here watching this video. So to install this onto your Quest 3 or 3S or 2 or Pico, you will want to plug this in right here. Now for the two Velcro straps that come with it, you'll notice there is a smaller end here with a little hole. What you can do is you can take the wire here, wrap it through, pull it tight. So this is now attached to here, wherever it is along the side that you want it to be. Then you can pull it tight and wrap it through. We can do the same with this one. Now that is nice and secure with those two Velcro straps. So now I'm going to go use it. I will test it out and come back and give you my review. Okay, so I've had a chance to use it. Let's talk about it a little bit and give you my review. In terms of stability, these extra two little Velcro straps here kept it nice and secure. Length, we got 5 meters or about 16 feet. That was enough for me in my space. I don't know how big of a space you have or how big of an area you usually roam about when you're playing VR, but 16 feet for me was plenty for what I was doing. The charging abilities, it does say in the user manual to use at least an 18-watt charger connected to this cable if you want to keep your Quest 3 fully charged. That's what I was doing, and while I was using it, it was able to keep my Quest 3 fully charged, so no issues there with that. So really easy to use. Price point, we're looking at $25 on their website. Sometimes things are cheaper on Amazon, so I will link Amazon links for you below. Comparing it to some other Link cables, the official MetaLink Link cable is way more expensive, and it doesn't have the charging capability that this one does. Kiwi Design has released theirs that has a similar charging ability that this one does. It's $35 on their website, so a little bit more than this one. So this one you are getting about the same as what other ones are doing, or more, for a cheaper price. So AMVR has put out a really good product here. If you are into PCVR and need it to be linked so you are charged the full time, this is a great option for you. If you have any questions about it, make sure to let me know. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.